What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron. Got the recipe, and today I've got my top 3 free Native Instruments plugins you need to download. Let's get into it.
Ron got the recipe.
So let's talk about hybrid keys from the Native Instruments Play Series selection. This is not your typical keyboard. This plugin lets you blend pianos, organs, synthesizers, mallets, whatever you can think of into new sounds, which is super helpful when you're kind of stuck in that creative process, or when you're not stuck in that creative process. You just have, Each preset comes with different effects and control knobs depending on what sound you choose. Blend sounds together by quickly using the balance knob, or tweak them by using those other 5 macro knobs. All in all, this is a great plugin and it's absolutely free. Go get it. Let's talk about Guitar Rig Player 6. Guitar Rig Player 6 offers a range of high-class modular effects. A lot of producers may stray away from this plugin, not knowing that it's not only used for guitar. You can use it on bass guitars, you can use it on acoustic guitars, you can use it on piano, Rhodes piano, you can use it on drums that have saturation, you can use it on your vocals, organs. You can use this plugin on anything. I've used this plugin myself to turn acoustic guitars into electric guitars. I've used it to turn my pianos into organs or even synthesizers. There's plenty of effects, and you can create your own effect chain. This is a free plugin with complete start. If you want the full version, you're gonna have to pay for it, but you can still do a lot of work and get a lot of damage done using the free version. Analog Dreams, let's talk about this. So, if you're looking to create anything in that Bruno Mars, The Weeknd, 80s vibe realm, you need to get Analog Dreams. This is the stripped down version. So, try it before you buy it. You can download it for free. If you want the full version, hit up nativeinstruments.com. Analog Dreams is a great plugin because it combines the old school sounds and effects to create new, modern, up-to-date patches. Tons of rich cutting leads, plucked percussion, and even some pretty cool, weird effects. And just like in hybrid keys, you can blend sounds together, customize your effects chain, tweak your different macro knobs, and customize the look, all from the settings menu. All in all, this is a great plugin if you're looking for some synth, some 80s flair, anything in that realm. You need to grab this plugin. Go get it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content. Like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know how you feel in the comments, man. I really appreciate it. Peace.